Today, it's all about leftovers. And leftover pulled pork to be exact. Because when you barbecue all the time, you should have plenty of it laying around. So let's get this mac and cheese started off with a topping. Let's get us about, say 2 tablespoons of butter. Get her melted. And add you about a cup of these panko breadcrumbs. They're a little light and airy. Let's just stir them around. Let them soak up that butter. Once they start getting a little brown, let's dump them out and set them to the side. Clean out your skillet. Let's keep going. Let's get about another 2 tablespoons. Looks about like 3, but let's make us a roux. You want equal parts fat, equal parts flour. So that's about 2 tablespoons of flour. Let's get her mixed in here till it gets a little bubbly. And we're going to add in about 2 cups of milk. Now room temperature milk's good. And add just a little bit at a time. Don't add it all at once. It might get a little clumpy on you. Once we get it all in, we're going to continue to stir until it gets nice and, looking good like this. And if you're like me, you second guess yourself a lot. Let's just add another half a cup of milk, just in case we don't have enough. Get you a swig, do some more stirring. There's a lot of stirring in this video. And add the rest of that butter. I didn't want to throw it away. For a little flavor, we're going to use salt, pepper, garlic. Just a little bit of heat. Put as much as you want, little as you want. Then it's time, when you get them little bubbles, to add the cheese. We got a pound of sharp cheddar and a half a pound of pepper jack. And once again, add a little bit of time. Stir it in to good and melted. Add you another handful. And this is what you got. Now we could use it like this, but we're going to make it creamy. Because on this box here it says cream. So a cup of sour cream. And that even looks creamier from here. That's it. Let's set it off to the side. Get this table here cleaned off. And here comes the leftovers. Here's a pound of pulled pork. When you cook pork, I always vacuum seal it in pound sacks. If you don't know how to cook pulled pork, I'll try to put a link here. You keep it in the freeze just for times like this. Get your favorite barbecue sauce. Right now, mine's House of Barbecue, hot and delicious. If you can find it, get you some. And once again, we're stirring. Now it's time. Always taste your food. That way we need to know if you need more seasoning, we'll add it. Get your noodles. Mojo tip of the day, if you don't know how to make noodles, read the side of the box. It tells you how to do it. Just add salt to the water. Let's pour in that awesome sauce. And I guarantee you, here in a second, he's probably going to stir again. Let's see if he proves me right. Yep, there it goes. Get that well incorporated. That's a big word for today. Get the Christmas attire out of the way, because it's not Christmas, no matter what Walmart says. And dump her in there. I'm not going to stir it. We're just going to pat her flat. Now it's time to get those breadcrumbs, I believe. Well, let me center it up for the camera. Nope. We're going to season just a little bit more. Can't have enough of that mojo. Now it's time for that topping. Just put her on there pretty even. Make sure you use the whole cup, because that stuff is good. And hurry up, fella. There it is. I think now it's time to put it on the smoker. Now here's where you can put it in the smoker. You can put it wherever you want to. Oh, I hate flies. Anyway, just make sure you put it in at 300 degrees. And it's probably going to take about an hour. Now I chose to cook this on the pellet grill. Pellet's good, hickory smoke. But you can use charcoal, you can use gas, heck, even use electric. Just do you. Won't bother me none. Well, got my hands dirty. Alrighty, an hour later, here's what you got. Golden deliciousness, cheesy goodness. Just make up your own words for it, because this is going to be good and hot. What you're looking for, and it might take a little longer, a little less than an hour, but you want the top to get a little golden. You see these little bubbles around the side? I think that means it's done. So all we like now is to finish this up by eating a bite. Now this can be a whole meal, or it can be a side, however you want. And this is the part of this whole cook where I've kind of doubted myself. probably fixing to make a dumb mistake by eating this. Because cheese is like molten lava. And I'm about to find out. But you do it for the tube. And here it goes. And, I don't know if that's I just visited the gates of hell. So when I got it in my eye, this is not good. But anyway, hey, you got to try this dish. It's awesome. Like I said, sides or a whole meal. Alrighty, here's the deal. Hit this subscribe button. I think it's somewhere over here in the, I don't know if that'd be y'all's right, my left. Hit it for me. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave me a comment. I've got to go get some milk. Love you guys.